This is a survey that was done not too long ago by Barna. I was involved in some of the commentary on this. But take a look. This is what is usually or always wrong. All right? 13 to 24. Viewing pornographic images, number 9. Not recycling is at number 4. The deck has changed. And I think the biggest mistake a lot of us make is we just assume that they come in with the same template that we do. No, they don't. And let's take a look here. The number 1 most morally offensive thing is taking something that belongs to someone else. That's kind of what porn is. Number 2, having a romantic relationship with someone other than a spouse. That's also kind of what porn is. And it'll lead to that for a lot of people. Saying something that isn't true. That's kind of what porn is. Porn will lead us and teach us to objectify people. We strip the imago Dei from them. They are a 2-dimensional or a 1-dimensional object on a screen, and I use them for my sexual gratification, and then I discard them. We strip the imago Dei. That is the essence, the definition of objectification. And when people are objects, they are eminently disposable.